Morning, welcome back to Temper and Hours channel. Thanks for tuning in. We're just at Birch Services on Thames 62, having a Greg's bacon and sausage baguette, that bad boy, and a cup of coffee. I love baguettes. Baguettes are better in France though, with ham and cheese. Can't beat it. So, where are we going? Well, we're going, excuse me, it's so rude to eat and talk at the same time, you know. My mother brought me up correctly. Don't eat and talk, she said. It's rude. Anyway, yeah, bear with. Give me a sec. We're off to Huddersfield to sort some wiring out on a camper van. I don't even know what van it is, I've not even asked, but I don't really care. I'm in my little Citroen C1 van conversion. Got some new sign writing on back window. I'll pop a picture later on. But yeah, that's where we're going today. Guy's name's Josh. We'll see what it's like when we get there, and I'll take you around, see what I'm doing. Here in Huddersfield, I've got a little advert. It's a big mother of an Iveco van, and we're just wiring some USB sockets in and doing some lights in the garage under bed. Just wiring this light into that way. Simple, straightforward. Just removed a couple of the bed slats just to get to wiring. Got my little knobbly knees. We have lights. Just drilled a hole down there, ready to bring wires through to go up to the fuse box. Electrical setup. Work's completed. All sockets are wired up. On. On. And on. Job done.